In today's video, I will quickly walk you through on how to turn on a laptop keyboard light. All right. So if your computer or your laptop has this feature on the keyboard, follow me. Let me guide you on how to turn it on.
Okay, I'm capturing my keyboard right now. Okay, there is a key known as F4, and you can see the symbol of keyboard there with some lines pointing outward. That is the keyboard light section of my laptop. Your own can be a laptop, actually it can be a computer. So long press on that key. Okay, you can see some light have started showing up here. All right, though it's day, so that's why it's not showing you very clearly, but if it's nice you will see everything very clear. But note, this icon may be on a different key of your computer keyboard. Your work is to locate the icon and long press on it. Once the light starts showing, you leave it. All right, but note, this can make your PC to run down quickly when it's not on power. So if it's on the day when you don't use it, please forget about turning it on. But in the night, it's useful, especially when the location or the environment is dark. And when you want to disable it, still long press on the key and the light will go off.
I believe you find this content helpful. Please, if it does help, consider subscribing to this channel. Here we discuss a lot on technology, all right, which cuts across so many areas. So subscribe to learn and equip yourself, okay? Hit the like button, the one that points up like this, so that YouTube will push this video to more people because it's valuable, all right? And leave a comment if you have question. Watch this video here to learn more on how to make good decision when you are buying a laptop. Thank you and see you some other time.